Hey guys, so here's how you're going to change or add logo on your Wix Studio or your Wix website. So the first thing that you're going to do is to go to your Wix website dashboard. And then from here, you can see this search bar. Now click on that and then just type in logo. And then from here, you can see this logo settings. Now click on that. And then here, you can see this logo section where you can add your logo. So what you're going to do is to click on upload image. And then from here, you can simply click on any photo that you already have, probably in the site files. Or you may also choose to upload media. So for example, let's upload from our computer, this one, click on open, and then wait for your logo to be uploaded. Now, once your logo has been uploaded, just click on that and you can see this box outline or this blue outline right here. Once there is a blue outline around your photo, that means that your photo is currently selected. So what you're going to do is you can have crop and edit, you can adjust this, or you may also cut out background, and you may also design it with Adobe Express. So these are the quick actions that you can do to make your logo more professional. And once you're done with all of that, you may click on choose file and it will be added as your logo. Now after that, just click on save to save the changes. Another place where you can change the logo or you can add the logo of your website is by going to the Wix website editor. Now from here, you can just click on this add elements button, which may look like a plus button. And then from here, click on image. And then here, just click on upload images. And then again, upload from computer, or you may also just access your Wix to look for the logo right here. But let's just upload another one, this one. And then after that, just click on add to page. Now you can see your logo added to your page. Now all you have to do is to move it around, just so you know where you want to add it. For example, I want to add it just beside this four seasons. You may drag it over to the heading and it will automatically attach to the heading. It will stick there. And then after that, just hit on save to save the changes and then you're done.